So here we are down here at Pro Audio of Gillette. We're going to go ahead and try and dip a Ford F-150 dash piece real quick. Right now what we're doing is laying our film down on the water to allow it to hydrate. Try and keep as many air bubbles out of it as we can. We're going to do this dash piece in a camo. So what he's going to do now is he's going to dam it off. Once activated, it will spread across the water and you don't want it to distort too bad. So now we're going to go ahead and start our 60-second timer and then we'll activate. Okay, so now we're at the activation stage. We waited that 60 seconds for it to hydrate. This is a thicker film, so it will have to have a little more activation. As you can see, it's starting to spread out across the water, a lot like an ink. This is the piece we'll be dipping. It has already been primered and base coated in a tan, which is your most neutral camo base coat. You want to try and allow the least amount of air bubbles in the water that you can get. He's going to go ahead and roll this piece around for the last part. And hopefully it'll turn out here. This would be your new F-150 dash piece. Still automotive clear coat to put on it, but it turned out great.